Hi guys, I'm Cassandra and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to try these Deco transfer sheets for the first time. I just got them yesterday and I can't wait to try them out. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's get started. So for today, I'm planning to use this sheet which is called Vintage Blossom, and you get one sheet of this in one pack. And here behind the pack are the instructions on how to use it, which are pretty simple. And these can basically be used on any solid surfaces like bottles, candles, and so on. I'll be using this wooden decorable. I got this from itsy as well. Please check the description for all the links, and you can also use my affiliate code through which you can get an extra discount. And as you can see, I have started by priming it with white gesso, and I'll be applying 2 coats of gesso. Now I don't think applying gesso is necessary since this works on almost any surfaces, but I just wanted a white base to start off. I personally like priming all the surfaces white that I work on because I feel that ideas flow more easily to me when I look at plain white surface. So yeah, I applied 2 coats and dried it up. And now let's use the Deco transfer sheet. This is the design that I want to transfer, so first I'll cut it out with a pair of scissors. Now I chose this particular design because the wooden decorable is in a shape of a cutting board. So I thought this would make a great kitchen decor. And once I have cut out the design, I am just removing the top transparent layer. And now all I have to do is flip it and place it on the surface like this. And make sure you don't touch the design once you remove the top layer because then it might not stick properly to the surface. And next I'm going to place it on the surface. I'm kind of nervous, I don't know why, but here we go. Next, I'm going over it with my hands to make sure it has been adhered completely. And then I'm applying some water onto it with a sponge. Okay, I kind of messed up here. I didn't rinse the sponge after dipping it in the water, and so I ended up applying a lot of water. So anyways, I'm peeling off the layer, and as we can see this result, some parts didn't come out well. I'm pretty sure cause it is of my excessive use of water. Anyways, no problem. At all because I'll be painting this area black and then this won't be visible. Okay, so I ended up doing another huge mistake. Since I used a lot of water, I did go off camera and I tried to dry it up using my heat dryer, and it ended up getting these tiny cracks. So do not repeat this mistake if you are trying this. Do not use heat tool to dry up because then it gets cracked up like this. Unless you are going for a crackle effect, then it is perfectly fine. So anyways, I'll try my best to rectify my mistake while painting. So I'm using the black multi-surface paint to paint this. And here it is after I have painted. Although I did a lot of mistakes on this, but it has turned out fine. I'll keep this aside for now and I'll give myself a second chance. So I'm starting all over again, and this time I'll be using the Deco transfer on this poster. I have already primed this to save time, so let's just get into it. And this time around I'm using another beautiful Deco transfer sheet. So I'll cut out this portion here which has this beautiful teacup with flowers and some butterflies. And I'll remove the top layer, place it onto the coaster, and this time I'll be really careful while applying the water. I'll just apply the water with my fingers so I don't end up applying a lot like last time. And I remove the top layer, and here it is. It has come out perfectly. Oh my god, I love it. I'm just thinking of doing another butterfly here, so let's do it. This has come out perfect. So to finish it off, I'll paint up the edges purple. And finally, we do have to apply a good coat of varnish to seal it. And I really love how this has turned out. Now coming back to the first project again. I did fill out the cracks with paint, but now thinking back, I did kinda like the crackle effect on it. So I'll apply the two-step crackle medium. If you have never applied the two-step crackle medium, then it comes in two bottles as you can see. One is the base coat and the other one is the top coat. So all we have to do is apply the base coat first. And once it's dried, then apply the top coat. It's really easy to use. And yeah, once I have applied the top coat, I leave it aside to dry. Okay, so it's dried up and as you can see there are cracks. But the thing is, the two-step crackle medium gives transparent cracks. But what happened here is, I suppose it teared up the Deco transfer sheet, giving white cracks. And yeah, this time around I didn't use the heat tool to dry it. So I would not recommend using crackle mediums with the Deco transfer sheet. But yeah, if you are going for this type of an effect, then you can definitely use crackle mediums. As we know, there is no right way or wrong way when it comes to crafting. We can just do whatever we like. So anyways, I will try to fill up these cracks using some gold metallic wax and see how that goes. Honestly, I do kinda like how it turned out. I'll add some more finishing touches by wrapping some jute twine here at the top portion. And I'm also adding a tiny handmade flower to complete the look. Although I kept experimenting and I kept messing up, but I'll still say I love this project more than the other one. Do comment down and let me know which one did you like. I thoroughly enjoyed trying out the Deco transfer sheets, and here is another project that I created using Deco transfer. This is for Itsy Bitsy's YouTube channel. Although I filmed this video after I filmed the video that you just saw, but this will be uploaded by the time I upload this video, so definitely give this a watch. I'm sure you're going to love it. And yeah, this is it for today's video. If you like this video, hit the like button, and for more videos like this, hit the subscribe button, and see you in the next video. Bye.